One of the things I want to talk about today is blending in. You see, I like to play with color. I might not have perfect symmetry, but I was kind of doing this quickly and I just wanted to get it done. You're going to see here for my handguards, I not only used bolts, but I also used plastic pop pins with a threaded screw. This is a different technique for mounting things. This keeps the clear plastic part from flapping in the wind, and it was pretty effective. You can see here I have 3 mount points. When I first did this, I never thought I would have to use a different mounting technique for different points on the design. No, this is not a Pontiac logo. There is actually a vent here shaped just like the blue pattern you see here. You can see I finally sanded the shape of the windshield extension. It now looks pretty even, and I think I'm going to keep it that way for now. It really is a great addition. I have camera mounts on either mirror, and because of this I don't need a really heavy bar end, so I swapped out the metal bar ends with these plastic ones. These are for a CB, and they look pretty good and the edges aren't rounded. It's amazing what you can do with a belt sander. Yes, those are leather wrapped hand grips, and they're made to match the rear seat, which is also brown. One of these days I'm going to do this right and make sure everything is symmetrical, but for now it is what it is. Another thing you can do is you can mount a camera mount on your windshield, and it will stay quite nice, and you can put a GoPro there. You may not like my color scheme, but I'm just playing with colors and patterns and designs.